Hi, my name's Jayna Kennell, and today I'm going to teach you how to divide fractions the right way. Before we begin, I need you to know a few key terms. Okay, we have three key terms here: numerator, denominator, and reciprocal. So first, a numerator is just the top number of a fraction. Denominator is the bottom number of a fraction. And reciprocal is really just a fancy term for flip the numbers. So let me show you an example. For 1/2, the numerator would be 1, the denominator would be 2, and the reciprocal would be 2/1. And a special skill about reciprocals is whenever you multiply them together, you're always going to get 1. All right, now let's actually get into the problem. So here we have 2/5 divided by 6/7. So our first step, okay, there's 3 steps to dividing fractions that you need to remember. Keep it, change it, flip it. So our first step is keep it. So we keep this the same, 2/5. Our next step is change it. So we take this and change it into multiplication. And then our third step is flip it. And this is where we use our reciprocal. And so the reciprocal of 6/7 is 7/6. And then all we do is multiply across. So you multiply your numerators together, 2 and 7, and get 14. And then you multiply your denominators together, 5 and 6, and you get 30. And then you have to simplify. So in this case, you can divide by 2 and get 7/15. And that's our final answer. So now that you know how to divide fractions, how about you try one on your own?
To the day that I drop, you'll never say that I'm not.
What you should have gotten is 6/5. If you didn't get that, let me go through the steps one more time. Keep it, change it, flip it, multiply across. All right, some things to remember. First is keep it, change it, flip it. Another thing is reciprocals, very important. Am I spelling this right? Reciprocal. Next is multiply, then simplify. Now you should be dividing fractions like a pro.